Hi, this is Bill for Sparky Channel, and today I'd like to introduce you to two really good wire strippers from Ideal. And see, they're very similar. And one thing about both of them is they're very heavy duty. One of them is just a wire stripper, which has 5 sizes of wire that it can strip. The other can only strip 2 sizes of wire, but it's an NM cable stripper. So first, I'll start with the Ideal heavy duty dual NM wire strippers, and then I'll show you the regular wire strippers, and we'll go over the differences. And the first thing that really caught my attention when I looked at this new tool is the size of the head. This is a 9-inch long tool, and the head is the head of linesman's pliers. It's the same size, so it's great for twisting wires. You can easily twist 3 wires, maybe 4. They are linesman pliers. The thing that's different about this pair is that it will strip the sheathing from either 12-2 with ground or 14-2 with ground Romex cable, which we call NM or non-metallic cable. Here's the slot to strip 12-gauge solid wire right here, and this is the slot to strip 14-gauge solid wire. Now this right here strips your 12-2 with ground Romex non-metallic cable. This strips 14-2 with ground Romex non-metallic cable. Let's strip the jacket from some 12-2 with ground Romex cable, and then we'll carefully examine the wires to see if any of them were nicked in the process. It has easily stripped the jacket from the NM cable. Now it's time to carefully examine the wires for any damage. I don't see any scoring or damage to the wires. Here is a 14-2 with ground Romex cable. I'll strip the jacket from this, and then we'll carefully examine the wires. Here's a close-up view of one side, and here's a close-up view of the other side. I can't see a single score on the wires of either side of this 14-2 with ground Romex cable. This tool also has an 832 screw cutter, a 632 screw cutter, and a crimper. Here's the screw cutter in action, and here's the crimper in action. The tool weighs 13.9 ounces. I love how this tool easily and effortlessly strips wire. I attribute that to the fit and finish of the stripping surfaces. You can see in this picture they're very nicely machined and finished, and that makes a big difference. The twisting surfaces are nicely knurled for gripping power. The tool costs about $30. Now let's go over the Ideal forged heavy-duty wire stripper. Now the handles are exactly alike. If you put one on top of the other, you can tell they're just identical. The crimpers are exactly alike. The wire cutters are exactly alike. The cutters and the heads are exactly alike. But instead of just having 12 and 14 gauge cutters, this one has cutters for 8, 10, 12, 14, and 16 gauge. Both of these pliers come with lifetime guarantees. I'll put links in my video description for both of these heavy-duty pliers, and I'll put a link for the Ideal heavy-duty linesman pliers. They're 9.5 inches long, and they're made in the USA. I hope this video was helpful.
Thanks for watching!